Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you where I think how low it can go, and something very important that I pointed out in the live. I want to show it here as well. It's what happened with Bitcoin in 2018 after it dropped. I'm going to show you that in the video. I'm going to show you Bitcoin closer timeframes as well, where there's big supports, where I would open trades, and what I would do with Ethereum trades right now. Hit the subscribe button, join 75,000 people, smash up thumbs up button. Do not forget, every video, every month, 5 winners are going to be chosen from all the videos. So comment down below. If you comment, you can be chosen for $200 US. There's going to be 5 winners every month. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Technicals, and first thing I want to show is Bitcoin, the 2018 drop. So this was the drop in 2018 when we went from 20,000 all the way down to 3,400, and you can see here that that drop in 2018 from the all-time high down to the bottom was around a 84% drop. You can see here 84% drop, so quite a big drop. And this drop that we've had so far now has been from the peak of 69k this year. From last year, it's been a drop so far of 73%. So if we do the same drop that we had in 2018 from that all-time high, that big rally, if we do that 84% drop, that will take us exactly to the support line of 10,648. And that's a support that I think is very important. We have a support here coming at 17,700, this one here. 17,000. You can see here there was some support, and there was a lot of support here back in 2018. So that 17,000 is a place to be adding Bitcoin. Another major support is here. You can see here that was the all-time high in 2019, which was sitting around 13,798. And the final major support is this one here, where that lines up with that 84% drop from the high. That's 10,893. So that's the major thing that I wanted to show you on Bitcoin. Now let's go closer into trading. On the 4-hourly, it is trying to hold, but we had a big drop earlier today. I went live on this drop. We went from 20,000 today, 20,400, all the way down to 18,700. Stochastic, RSI, are both very oversold. Squeeze mob is also going towards the red side again. So this drop is not finished. Unfortunately, this drop is not finished. On the daily, stochastic is very oversold and heading further down. Weekly, very oversold. Everything's so oversold, but it doesn't look like it's finished. I would actually be shorting Bitcoin. In my live, I did open a short, but it wicked out and closed that short. But it would have been a good short to hold on to, because now we're back into that area where I think we're going. It wicked out a few hours ago and hit that stop loss. And then came back down. I would still be going short on Bitcoin here with the target of 17,500. So I'm going to show you how I would open the short on Bitcoin. If you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video, in the description of the video, you'll always see the links. And if you sign up to ByBit, Bitcoin Trading Competition 8, there's an $8 million prize pool. You also get a $4,800 bonus when you sign up to ByBit and start trading. You have to deposit Bitcoin. Make sure you use that link under my video in the description. That will give you the trading software. There's also a Bitcoin trading altcoin tutorial for ByBit, a video, and you can get a chance to win $50,000 on Femex and take the crypto master course to learn. 6,500 students are taking it. You can learn what I'm doing. So where I would open the trade on Bitcoin is I'd be going short here. Let's look on the 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes also, it's turning up to have a little bit of a bullish momentum, but I would be opening a short if Bitcoin comes here. I'll be opening the short around, it's making lower highs, so I'd open a short here. My stop loss would be just above this point where we spiked up, where it closed my previous short actually, and I would open a short there, and I would make the take profit at that $17,500 target here. So that's a really nice risk to reward ratio trade. I'm risking $294 unleveraged to make 90% profit, $1,788 profit. If it's 10x leverage, it's $17,000 of profit. I would actually open the short here. So the short would open at 19,276, stop loss at 19,570, and take profit at 17,524. So opening this short at a little bit higher actually. I'll open the short here. So I'm setting it up, and I teach you how to do this in the crypto course. So I would open the short at 19,325, stop loss at 19,595. So let's open that short. I'd go 10x leverage short. I'd actually do a higher x leverage short on Bitcoin. I'll do a 20x because it's got a very tight stop loss. So if the short's either going to work or not work. If it fails, we'll just hit the stop loss and close. So it's going to be a 20x leverage short, which I'm going to open on Bitcoin. I'm going to do a $500 trade. I'm going to open the short at 19,325. The stop loss will be at 19,595. So 19,325. Then I'm going to set the stop loss. The stop loss will be at 19,000. 595 and the take profit at 17,536. 19,595 and the take profit at 17,524. So I'm risking take profit on a short 17. So I'm risking $139 to make $931. Risking $139 to make $931, which is epic. That's the short that's going to open at 19,325. Open a short. It'll be a 20x leverage with $500 of order cost. So it'll be a 20. It's a $500. It's a $10,000 trade. Confirm. That trade is now set. So that trade is set for Bitcoin. That's where the short will open. So again, I'm going to go short here. What I'm expecting is Bitcoin moves up a little bit, hits that the trade, and then starts to come down towards that 17. I would actually lift it up a little bit more. I will go here because that's the resistance. So I'm going to make this and make the stop loss even tighter and the take profit. I'm going to edit this trade. So the trade will open at 19,440 and the stop loss will be 19,583. I'm going to modify this. So it's going to open order price 19,440. So open at 19,440 and the stop loss will be at 19. One second, Bitcoin trade is loading. This is the exact trade I'm taking. 19,583. 583. So I'm risking $130 to make $909. Confirm. So this trade is now set for Bitcoin. It will execute at 19,325. 19. But wait, I modified it. 19,4. Here, 19,440. Confirm. 19,440. Why isn't it modifying? 19. Order price 19,440. Confirm. Okay, now it's modified. And the take profit will be at 17,524 and the stop loss 19,583. So it's risking $72 to make $967, which is an epic trade. So that's for Bitcoin. And again, if you're looking to buy Bitcoin, heed my warning that we could be coming down to these support areas. So what I'm doing is I'm going to be buying some at 17,700. I'm going to be buying some at 13,793, and I'm going to be buying some at 10,000. So I'll buy around $1 million coming down. 300,000 here, 300,000 here, 300,000 here on these major supports. And if Bitcoin goes lower, it will be pretty bad. So that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum quickly. It's at $1,001. Crazy. Ethereum's at $1,001. The main support that I talked about for Ethereum is not down until we have a little bit of a support. The previous all-time high, the previous support here, you can see here back in 2018 when Ethereum came up, it hit this resistance at 835. So that will be in a major support on Ethereum. That's one place. And the second major support is down here. We have a lot of supports here at the 510. And if that doesn't hold, the strongest support is down here at 343. So these are where I would be buying Ethereum, and I would be doing, again, it depends on what Bitcoin is doing, but I would be choosing to do the same kind of short for Ethereum. I would make a short for Ethereum where we are right now, very tight stop loss, just above the daily to give me above the daily, and targeting 800. Actually, I'll do a very tight stop loss. So I'll do the stop loss. Let's go into the 15 minutes. It looks like we're going to have a little bit of a rebound in the 15-minute time frame to the daily. So I'll put the stop loss here, the trade shorting from here. So I would open the trade at 1,050. The stop loss just above the daily, and the take profit here at 838. So this is a trade that I would open for Ethereum. I'm risking $39 to make $216, a 5.49 ratio, 20% profits, but with 10x leverage will be 200% profit. So I'll make $2,000, risking $390. I'm going to open this short as well. So opening the short at 1,055. Yep, 1,055. I would go short on Ethereum, but I'll do a smaller short here because it's very, very volatile. So I'll do a $200 short with, again, I'll do 10x leverage on this short. Actually, let's do 20x leverage, because if it executes, it will be very profitable with very little risk. So I'm going to do a 20x leverage short on Ethereum, just a $200 trade though. So $200, the order price will be 1,055. I will then open a short on Ethereum. My take profit will be on the short will be 835, and the stop loss is 1,100. Take 835 and 1,100. So I'm risking $170 to make $834. Confirm, open short with 10x with 20x leverage. So it's I'm risking $199 will be a $199 with 20x leverage. So it'll be 10x leverage will be 2,000, so $4,000 trade. Confirm, that trade is now set. So I've got those two trades open for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I've also got a long open on Gala right now. Almost break even on this trade, but I'm going to close it because I think if Bitcoin drops, Gala will also be dropping. It's slightly in the negative, but this trade is already set, so I'm going to let it go. But if Bitcoin drops, actually I'll close it, because if Bitcoin drops, this trade will also close. So I'm closing that Gala trade. Those are the trades I have for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Again, if you want to trade like you're seeing me do, underneath this video you go to ByBit, you sign up, you get $4,800 bonus, and you go into my trading competition. There's $8 million of prizes, and if you sign up to Femex as well, they're giving away $50,000. The links are all in the description. Thank you for watching, everyone. Comment down below, do you think Bitcoin is ended? Where do you think Bitcoin bottom will be at? 17,000, 13,000, or 10,000? Let me know in the comment section below. 5 winners are chosen every month for $200 each, $1,000 given away every month. Love you all. Make sure you subscribe as well and join us for all the lives. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.